Level up your grow with Spore's Boomrbin Monotub, the first monotub growing system with a modular design allowing for simple, large-scale mushroom cultivation or full automation of your home grow. The Boomrbin is customizable, empowering you to cultivate a diverse range of mushroom species. Whether you choose to utilize passive systems or upgrade for complete control of fresh air and humidity levels, the choice is yours at any time. The Boomrbin is crafted from food-grade materials. It can hold up to 25 pounds of substrate. It's stackable, has large rounded corners for easy cleaning with fewer places for contamination to hide. And when not in use, the top and bottom can be stacked together for easy transport and storage. Depending on the species of mushroom you're looking to grow, you can add Spore's fresh air exchange fan and humidifier to the side of the bin to create the optimal environment for more CO2-sensitive mushroom species. You can use the FAE fan to reduce CO2 levels inside your tub either with positive or negative pressure, while the humidifier helps reduce moisture loss. These conditions can be maintained using a humidity controller, which actively monitors the humidity levels inside of your Boomrbin. You can also choose to start your mycological journey with our complete Boomrbin starter kit, equipped with everything you need to grow pounds of beautiful mushrooms. Each Boomrbin kit comes with a bag of organic sterilized grain, which can be inoculated in a clean environment using a liquid culture or spore syringe. It also comes with your choice a Boomr bag, ideal for dung-loving mushrooms, or wood lover, ideal for wood-loving mushrooms. We've also included self-adhesive filters that fit over the holes on the monotub lid to keep out foreign spores and other contaminants, while providing even gas exchange. Once fully colonized, you can use coco coir to create a better pinning environment and reduce moisture loss as your mushrooms begin to grow. For more information on the Boomrbin, check out our website at norspore.com.